Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the dreaded P0A80 fault code, which basically means it's time to replace your hybrid battery. Now, I know this can be a daunting task, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll cover everything from diagnosing the problem to finding the right replacement battery, to actually installing it yourself. So if you're ready to get your hybrid back on the road, then let's get started. The P0A80 code is a generic powertrain trouble code that indicates a problem with the hybrid battery pack. This code can be triggered by a variety of issues, including low battery voltage. This is the most common cause of the P0A80 code. It can be caused by a weak battery, a faulty charging system, or a problem with the battery management system. High battery voltage. This code can also be triggered by a high battery voltage, which can be caused by a faulty charging system or a problem with the battery management system. Battery cell imbalance. This code can be triggered by an imbalance in the voltage of the individual battery cells. This can be caused by a faulty battery, a problem with the battery management system, or a problem with the charging system. Internal battery fault. This code can be triggered by an internal fault in the battery pack, such as a short circuit or a broken cell. The most common causes of the P0A80 code are weak battery. The battery may be weak and need to be replaced. Faulty charging system. The charging system may be faulty and not charging the battery properly. Problem with the battery management system. The battery management system may be faulty and not monitoring the battery properly. Battery cell imbalance. The voltage of the individual battery cells may be imbalanced. Internal battery fault. There may be an internal fault in the battery pack. If you are experiencing the P0A80 code, it is important to have your vehicle diagnosed by a qualified technician. They will be able to determine the cause of the code and recommend the appropriate repairs. The P0A80 code is a generic powertrain code that indicates a problem with the hybrid battery pack. This code can be caused by a variety of issues, including a faulty battery, a problem with the battery management system, or a problem with the wiring or connectors. Some of the most common symptoms of the P0A80 code include reduced fuel economy. The hybrid battery is responsible for providing power to the electric motor, which helps to improve fuel economy. If the battery is not working properly, the fuel economy of the vehicle will be reduced. Loss of power. The hybrid battery also provides power to the electric motor, which helps to boost the acceleration of the vehicle. If the battery is not working properly, the vehicle may experience a loss of power. Check engine light. The check engine light will typically illuminate when the P0A80 code is stored in the vehicle's computer. Hybrid system malfunction message. Some vehicles may display a hybrid system malfunction message on the dashboard when the P0A80 code is stored. If you are experiencing any of the symptoms listed above, it is important to have the P0A80 code diagnosed by a qualified mechanic. The mechanic will use a diagnostic scanner to retrieve the code from the vehicle's computer. They will then be able to use this information to diagnose the problem and recommend the appropriate repairs. The repair for the P0A80 code will vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. In some cases, the battery may simply need to be replaced. In other cases, there may be a problem with the battery management system or the wiring or connectors. If the battery needs to be replaced, it is important to use a high-quality battery that is specifically designed for hybrid vehicles. The battery management system should also be checked to ensure that it is working properly. Finally, all of the wiring and connectors should be inspected for any signs of damage or corrosion. By following these steps, you can diagnose and repair the P0A80 code and restore the proper function of your hybrid vehicle's battery system.